Hi friend, I'm Sunny the Foal, and today I want to show you something fun. Look at my long legs. They help me move around the farm. Can you wave with me? Baby horses like me are called foals. But do you know what I love the most? I love to move my legs. Walking and trotting feels so good. Running makes me happy and strong. Hey friends, when you run and move your body, you become strong, just like me. Horses love grass and fresh air. Bye friend, want to run with Sunny again? Like, share, and subscribe to Babadoo.
Bye-bye, friends. See you soon on Babadoo.